Hi, today we are going to learn how to share our doc in the G Suite. So, in the G Suite, you have the option to set the document sharing option as per your requirement. So, today I'm going to show you how to do that. So, here I open a Google Sheet and you can see a green box on the right hand side. This is the sharing option. Once you click here, you have the ability to change the settings as per your requirements. So first, you can see there's a lock sign. Once you create a document in the Google Sheet, the G Suite, then the lock sign will appear because it's a private, so no one can do not have the access to the sheet. So if you want to change, just click here and get the link. Restricted, only people added can open this link. So it's a restricted, no one have the access. So once, so you can add the people here, add the people and group, and then the people will have the access. So you can write the email address directly here, or you can just paste the email address, copy the email address and paste here. So here, if I add the people, so then you can select that person if he can view or comments or edit. View means this person only have the view access. They can view but do not change or edit anything. And if you select comments, that means they can view and add the comments, but they cannot edit or change anything in the sheet. And if you select the editor, so they can change everything in the sheet. And you do have the option to notify people. So people you added here, they will receive an email that you give their access on the sheet with a link. So you can write a courtesy message here also. And then if you select the send, so they will receive an email with this message and the sheet link. And if you uncheck this notify people, then you do not have the option to send an email to this person. So I think you can understand here how to share a sheet. And then you have also some other options to change this sheet. So if you get the link, if you copy here, you copy, then the link will copy. So at the moment, our settings is restricted. Only people add can open with this link. So once the people we add, they can only have the access to visit this sheet. Other people is restricted. But if but you do have more options. So if you click here, change to anyone with the link, then you can see there is more option. So anyone with the link, previously it was restricted, but now I changed it to anyone with the link. And then if you select the view, so anyone with the link can view this sheet, so they cannot change or add anything. If you select comments, they can view and make the comments in the sheet. And if you select the editor, then anyone with the link can edit. So then this sheet will become open. And if you select the done, so it will change. But I do not want to make it open for all, so I am changing it to restricted. Sorry. Anyone with the link, I want to keep the view option. So you can see previously it was a lock sign. Now you can see the sign change. And you do have another option. So if you want to restrict the people on the view, there is another two options. So editor can change permission and share. So if we check it, so once the people we add and give the editor option, so they can change permissions and share. So they can change the permission and share of the sheet. But if we uncheck this one, so editor cannot change anything. And another option is viewer and comments can see the option to download, print and copy. So if you want to give the view access to all the people, and if you uncheck this one, so viewer cannot copy, download or print the sheet. It's a unique and very good option to make the privacy of the sheet. So today I think You learn how to set your Google Doc with your right appropriate settings. So try yourself. If you find it, if you face any questions or difficulties, just ask me. I will answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.